This is the emergency test for FEMA. There's no signal. It's Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga is our emergency tone. She's letting us know that something is wrong.
Oh my god. That's your emergency tone. This has been going on for about a minute now.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god.
I guess oh wow. District of Columbia.
This is how they got our attention. This is how they got our attention with Lady Gaga. There's something going on in D.C. and they got our attention with Lady Gaga. Everybody entranced.
And it says it's only a test, but now we're getting instructions.
Right.
This is only a test, but unless you're in
D.C., you're screwed.
D.C., yeah.
Something must be going on. Is that Jason Mraz or something? This is the weirdest thing I have ever seen. Oh, now we're back to TV. Okay.